Okay, so good day class. In this video, I will show to you on how to do our exercise to laboratory task number 3, wherein our goal is to transfer a CAD plan. So I have here a CAD plan towards our one sheet metal, which is in our laboratory task. It is an aluminum sheet, but I don't have the aluminum sheet, so I just use this steel sheet. So ang gigamit is a steel. So my materials and tools here, so I have this kanang kuan siya, marker pen colored blue. So this would serve as the blue dye, because ang katabungong anyel dito siya mo work, di siya mo pilitan niya. Then I have also this tissue, kaya ako na siya kanang limpyuhan ang kaniyang kuan metal sheet. And I have here a concrete nail, but you can use wood nail, but be sure that the tip is sharp enough in order to make some scratches or indentation. So you can see here, kung imo na siya scratch, so diba, as you've noticed, wala tayong maklaro because this sheet right here is very shiny, so lisod kaayo pagkita og kanang markings. So that's why we have this blue kanang pen. And then the ruler, this would serve as the guide in order to scribe straight lines, diba? By using a nail and a ruler, maka-scribe of straight lines. And then next one is this. This is a divider. Tinuod yun siya nga divider class. This is an adjustable screw divider, so because we have this this bolt and nut assembly. So if you're going to enlarge the opening or increase the opening of the divider, then you can unscrew this, okay, or you can just rotate the nut in order to adjust the opening. So this is for precise adjustments. Okay, so muna siya. So let's start by cleaning this. So ato na siya limpyuhan. Okay, so given nga nalimpyo na ni siya, so diba, ang first step is you should analyze the CAD plan. So this is our CAD plan. So we have here our first datum line, kaning vertical center line, and we have the second datum line, the horizontal center line. So the intersection of the first datum line and the second datum line would serve as the location of our three 1-inch diameter holes. Okay, so sa ato pong 1-inch diameter holes, ang center ana nila ato pod markahan sa ato ang center punch. So ang atong center punch mo gamit ata ani, pwede rin siya. And oh, I forget the hammer, so maybe I will get a hammer. Okay, so before we are going to mark out our design, so of course from the procedures written in our laboratory task number 3, so we are going to coat our aluminum sheet with a blue dye. So here I use a blue color permanent marker. So let's coat this. Okay class, this is now my finished output for coating our our metal sheet with the blue permanent marker. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to lay out the first datum line. So datum line 1, which is the vertical center line right here, so it divides the metal sheet into 2 equal parts lengthwise. So ato na siya i-layout. So by using our ruler and our improvised scriber, but I'll just use this worn drill bit instead para mas maklaro siya, because I use this instead of this one, but you can also have this. The difference lang ini is that medyo kani siya is very dull na, so bish dapat kanang sure nimo see to it that the tip of your nail is sharp para maka indent gid siya or maka scratch gid siya visibly in our metal sheet. So given that you already measure this one, you already know the kanang ang katungaan ni. So I'm going to measure this. So this is 15 cm, so around 7.5, so somewhere right here. So in your video dapat inyo isukod pod, i-locate ninyo ang center. So after locating the center, then using our improvised scriber with the help of our ruler, lay out or mark out a center line. So ano siya, center line. So I hope nga maklaro sa video. So center line, start from here, bar, ana, siya, center line, pataas, then small, pataas, then small line, pataas, small, pataas. So this one. So I think manotice sa video. So kana siyang shining nga mga lines man siya ato ang center line. Now, in order to mark this datum line 2, so this 3 lines right here, we need to divide the length of our metal sheet into 4 equal parts. And in order to achieve that, you are going to use your improvised divider. So, di ba sa inyo, I'm requiring you to have a new or old compass. And let's say, assuming this is a compass, and then, di ba, one leg is naadira ang kanang hait nga point. The other one is the attachment of your pen or pencil. So, sa usa ka leg nga naa ang pen or pencil, imo na siya kwaon and then replace that one with your nail. Dapat sharp. And then, with the help of your zip tie, imo siya itali. And then, see to it that, kung imo siya i-merge silang duha, same ang level nila. Same with this actual divider. Same yung level. Okay? So, kato imuhang nail o ang tip sa imuhang compass, same yung level. Okay? So, I'm just using this video kaning adjustable screw divider. So, in order to divide this into 4 equal parts, very simple ang class. Start from the from one end. So, in dividing class, be sure to divide along this first datum line. That's why we have the first datum line. But in creating this first datum line class, of course, we have kanang predetermined na datum na. Then unsam tong predetermined na datum niini. So ang atong edge, di ba? Sa edge mo ko nagsukod atong 7.5. So edge datum, then after the edge datum line 1, then from the datum line 1 comes with the datum line 2 because we divide this line into 4 equal parts. So in dividing this, by using your compass, i-position ang one tip sa end, at the end of this center line, and then imagine nga ang kaning opening sa ato divider or your compass, imagine that it is already or it can divide this length into 4 equal parts. I-assume lang class, just an estimation. Okay, so let's say this one, estimate lang. Okay, so kana siya, and then after ni ana, so once na ka, okay, just position gid position dire, and then we're going to do this. So imo siya ibalhin dito, so that is 2, right? 1 2 1 2, and the next one. Okay, let's start. So be careful nga di siya mo slide kay mausab ang division. So here, slowly but surely, then 2, the next 2, then 3. Okay, 3. Dapat along the line ka. And then 4. Okay, 4. As you notice, okay, the 4, kung ito i-zoom, actually wala pa siya inaabot gid sa pinakadulo. So medyo na siya kanang gamay. Okay, so kana siyang kuan if wala pa siya naabot, then ato siya kanang kuan, ato siya ibanan. So in order to do that, di ba atong goal kay mangadto siya sa kuan. Di ba our goal is makuan siya. Dapat musangko siya diri. So what we need to do is ato siya i-adjust. Nga kanang small part there, i-adjust ato gamay nga kuan, nga maka-divide na pud siya. So after adjusting that one, start from the first kuan. Start from the first step. So di na pug ka, then imo na pud i-jump ngadto. So along raan ang center line ha, along the datum line 1. Okay, along the datum line 1. And then next dire 3 and then 4. Okay, as you notice sa 4, okay, na-divide na siya. So once na imo na to na-divide class, then imo siya markahan. Okay, so balik ta. So since this is already the length of the division, so therefore ato na markahan. So here, so dito sa una, diri mark it here. So diri dapit, imo siya markahan dira. Okay, so in my view maklaro siya. And the next markahan po ng usa. So from here didapit, markahan nimo ang next diri. Okay, so dira. And the next one ang last diri. Last kay dira. Okay, para maklaro siya ang marking, gamit ako ba ani, I'll use my scriber. So here I will mark this part right here, and then this one, then the last one is this. Okay, nana ko itulo. So kani siya, and then the last one is this. So I can now use my ruler, but actually if na mo L square, ang best ani is L square. But in order to have a straight horizontal line, so mas maayo nga mag-divide po ka diri, then i-join na lang. Okay, so here pwede ta maka-draw sa ato ang second datum line. So assuming nga straight ni siya padungad to, so take one center line again. So kana siya backlist long short long na kaduha kani siya. So this one long, then short, then long short long, then the last one kaning usa. So kani siya diri. So kani siya imo bagisan long short long. Okay, so as you've noticed, naala mo na siya ang first na tong intersection, second and third. So the next one is we are going to mark out this 3 1-inch hole nga diameter. So kani sila. But before that, ato sa applyan og kuan center punch in order to properly position our divider in creating the circle. So to have the kuan center mark, so I use this para di madawat ang table. So you can use a hammer, since wala may hammer, so crude running a method, then you can have the nail, and then apply a small amount of pressure just to create an indentation class. Okay, so here small pressure. Actually ako since this is sheet metal, so dugay gid siya mabuho, no? So here nara. So as you can see, there is a small indentation. So muna siya itong first. Second, so same ra gihapon. Second one, so kana siya apply a center mark. So as you can see, Na siya class. So notice na siya. Diba na? Okay? The last part, kana siya. So kana siya, ato na siya applyan. Okay? Siya applyan. Then, okay. So kana siya, mo na siya guide para dira na to i-drill. Para ang drill kay dili siya mo sayaw-sayaw dira. Okay? Kaya na siya guide. The next one is we are going to mark out the circle. So in order to do that, so follow gyapon sa instruction. Since this is a 1 inch diameter circle, so therefore our radius is 0.5. Okay, 0.5 inches. So from your ruler, so this ruler, our ruler there is in centimeter. So approximately ang half inch in centimeter is kuan siya. Diba? 1 inch is 2.54. So half niya na is 12.75. Okay? 12.75. So ako siya position. So ang usa ka tip na siya sa 0 mark. So ang usa ka tip na siya sa 0 mark. And then ang usa is nasa kuan. So I need to adjust this one pa. So adjust. So naa siya sa kuan. 2.54 to no. So that is 1.275. Actually gamay jud kaayo no. So somewhere right here. So from 0 to 1.275. So 1.275 is somewhere here. There ana siya. Okay, 1.275. So after that, naka-ana mo na siya imidadon ngadto. So place one of the tip of your divider sa kanang center mark nga mo nakuha, and then the other tip sa surface sa ato ang sheet metal. And then kanang i-rotate ni mo imong divider. Okay? So mas maayo kung imo siya i-secure ang surface. Then imo siya i-rotate para ma-create ka og circle. Okay? Ma-create ka og circle. So kung naay center mark, so di kay mo sayaw imuhang kanang divider or compass. So niya nakita, so naana siya. So naara kana. So notice that is our layout for our first circle. Now for the second one, the same ra gihapon. Imo siya i-position sa center, then rotate our divider. So to rotate. So rotate ang divider. Rotate our divider. So notice, ano siya? So this is our second circle. Okay. And then for the last circle, same ra gihapon mo buhaton. Position, then rotate the divider. Your improvised divider. Okay, imo siya rotate. So imo rotate. Okay. Then siya. We have our third circle. So that's it, class. Now natin yung buhaton. Follow lang. So the first one is we have our first datum line, kaning center line, then second datum line kay siya divider, and then the last one is center punch and the center holes, and then the circles. Okay? Now ato balikon tong pag-divide, class. Let's say pag-divide nimo is medyo kanang layo siya, okay? Layo siya ha. Let's say lang layo, unsay buhaton nato? Okay? Unsay buhaton? So let's say okay, murag diri man na siya magdaog. Diri na siya magdaog sa pag-divide. Okay, pag-divide na siya magdaog. So let's say kani siya. So pwede kani siya, bahalag kani. I-divide mo into 4 equal parts, pwede kay ni. Pero kay dako lang ang adjustment niya ini. Okay? So kana siya. Let's say kana imo pag-divide lang into 4. So maghihapon kag upat ka division. So first division, second dapat along sa center line ha. Then second, then third. As you've noticed, ay ka-fourth kay, unsa man? Layo na kayo. Okay? Pagani mo, this is the fourth. Naa dito. Unya, naaraman dapat dira. So, therefore, na kay sobra nga kanin siya. You have an excess length. Mo na siya. So, therefore, imo siya itansya nga, kaya po excess nga length, imo na po siya i-divide into 4 equal parts. So, maybe, kani siya. So, therefore, mo iban ko og, saman, may iban ko ing ani katas So, in order to do that, so adjust this. So, ato i-adjust. So, asyo mga ato i-adjust. So, I think dito gani ha. So, hingkuan na ta, hinggamay na ta. And then, ato na po siya i-balik o otro. So, start. Diri ka. Then next, 1, 2, then 3, then 4. As you've noticed, dako na po kayo siya class. Dako kuwang. So, sa ibahan na to, puno na po ta. So, kanin siya, puno na to gamay. Okay, puno na to gamay. Okay, into 4 equal parts naman po. So, puno na gamay. So, adjust ta. Atong puno na gamay. Kana. So, tanay try. Okay, so balik na po tago no. Ingana na class. Actually, kung hanas na mo ani, kadyo ta kani. So, diri, then diri, then diri, then the last is diri. Okay. Okay, gamay lag ko lang. Okay? So, imo siya adjust og gamay. Kay gamay lang lag ko. So, adjust nimo gamay. Then, balik na po. Diri ka. 1. So, marking ko na no. Kaya inyo nakita. Igo na siya sa ato ang mga center marks. Tulo. Then, 4. Okay, actually, nakuha siya. So, dalapit. So, therefore, nga na siya class. More or less nga na. Kung imo siya i-adjust gamay, kung gusto po siya accurate din kayo. So, balik sa start. So, diri. Sa. Tuha. Tulo. 4. Kasi notice, nadakan na to. Sobraan na. So, ato padak gamay. Gamay lang jud. Okay? Balik sa duha, tulo, 4. Okay, sakto gid exactly. Naagid siya sa tip. Okay, so nga na siya class paggamit sa ato ang divider or sa ato improvised divider nga sa inyong part kay compass. So nga na class, and then take a picture of this in your result. Dapat maklaro ni siya. So kuha lang ang lighting sa inyong phone and then submit it. Okay? So thank you for watching class and have a nice day.